It felt like summer is here already. Looking at the map, inland areas right on the map exceeded 25 degrees Celsius, with the temperature in Seoul reaching 24 degrees, 27 degrees in Gimcheon. We've seen early summer-like conditions nationwide already. As the daytime temperature rises significantly, temperature swings come around as well. Please take care of your health. In addition to warm conditions, strong winds are blowing every day, with strong winds of around 50 meters per second across the country today and gusty winds of around 20 meters per second blowing in the mountainous areas of Jeju Island until dawn tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, Seoul and Chuncheon will start off at 13 degrees, Gyeongju at 14 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 21 degrees in Seoul, 29 degrees in Daegu and Gyeongju. More rain is forecast across the country this weekend. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.